some intentional activation because each and every one of you guys have a special gift.
I feel like this was a wonderful program. I felt like I was comfortable and like this was like a second family to me. So I just wanted to say thank you guys.
Learning how to use the different tools was really cool. That I didn't know like what to do with them, and like really cool to learn how to use the drill.
Oh yeah.
Cutting the wood with the handsaw.
Yeah, it was.
Drilling and undrilling the wood.
Oh wow, great,
I think
great.
the hardest
great.
part was probably sawing it, cutting it in half.
When we went on the computer software.
The computer software, you thought that was pretty cool?
The saws.
The saws?
Yeah. I think they can help me in a lot of ways. When I grow up, I plan to be an animation artist. Measure stuff, learn how to draw.
Yeah, thank you so much.